Hello everyone, today we are going to understand GSD generation and also learn the meaning and workflow of it in the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace Desktop Application. GSD stands for ground sampling distance, which represents the real-world size of 1 pixel in an image. It is very important in mapping and surveying because it defines the resolution and accuracy of your orthophoto. Now, let's start the step-by-step process. First, open the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace Desktop Application and choose your working interface. Then switch to the new UI. You can select Old UI if your system configuration is low. After switching to the new UI, you will see the Post-Processing section at the top. Click on Post-Processing. Next, go to the Add Layer option. Here, you need to select your raster file. Here, I am selecting orthophoto and DSM. Once you add the orthophoto, you will be able to see the pixel size of your image. After selecting the orthophoto, you will notice the GSD generation icon, usually the first icon available. Click on that icon. Now, in the input layer, you will see that your orthophoto is already selected. You can select other raster file if you have already added it in your layer. In the output section, you can provide the file name as per your requirement. Then, move to the options section. Here, you need to select the GSD value in centimeters per pixel. For example, I am going to select 5 centimeters per pixel. After setting everything, click on the Run button to start the process. Once the processing is complete, you will be able to see the updated pixel size, and you can save this file also by right-click on the output file and click on Save. And your output file will be saved in the same folder. So this is how you can generate GSD in the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace Desktop Application. In the next video, we are going to understand about the slope map generation. Thank you so much for watching this video.